in chat box when I have to see. Okay. Okay, right. Yeah, see. One more. Like 107, 107, and then it is 190, sorry. 193. 107 and then 193. Okay, instead of
Sir, this
much
question,
bigger
how
question.
would we do?
Sorry?
None of them we can divide by 2. We cannot solve this question using this method.
Yeah. Let me explain another question. It will be 101 or like a 401 into 499. Okay, see. Yeah, see this carefully. I'm doing this multiplication. In the yesterday's class, in the last class, we have told only units place adding to 10. Now I am telling the last two places adding to 100. Yes or no? Last two places adding to 100. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Last two positions. Last two positions adding to 10. Adding to 100. Last two positions adding to 100. 1 plus 99 is 100. And the remaining number same or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why you are dull today? Many persons are not responding. Why? Actually, this is Monday. This is not Saturday. Okay. Yeah. What is the common number?
4.
What is the next number of 4?
0, 1,
and 9.
99.
No. In the number series,
Five.
what is the
Oh,
sir.
5.
successor? Successor of 4 is
5.
5.
multiply with 5. 4 5 is
20.
20. First half is over. First half is over. Next, see if the units place is adding to 10, how many digits we need to reserve? If the units place is adding
3
to 10,
digits.
3.
no.
3 digits.
2.
Why 3 digits? From where 3 digits came?
2, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, I
see
thought
the
you said
previous.
for 100.
See this question. Here I told this point already. After getting 2, how many digits we need
So
to reserve?
after that, yes, sir, we need 2 digits, sir.
2 digits.
2 digits we have to reserve.
Because here units place is adding to 10, that's why we have reserved 2 digits. Okay, but here the last two places adding to 100, right? That's why we need to reserve how many positions here? 4.
3.
3.
Oh, 4.
4.
Because it's
Wow,
a multiplication.
okay.
2 2s are 4. 4 positions we need to reserve because the last two places are adding to 100. That's why we need to reserve 4 positions. And those 4 positions we have to fill up by. We need to fill by 1 into 99. 1 into 99 is how much?
0099.
Just 99 only, but we have to represent it a 4-digit number. 0099. That's all. That's the answer. Okay. 200099. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Understood.
if the last units place is adding to 10, we have to concentrate on, we have to think of only last 2 digits. If the last 2 digits are adding to 100, we have to think of last 4 digits. Right? So now we are moving to our exercise. Now you can give your names. All of you can give your names.
Sir, may I read the names? Sir, G. Shahu means me.
Okay, 1 second. G. Shahu from there.
Sir, actually, can I change my question?
You can. Who?
Sir, then B.
Sir,
Shreyasi.
Jashmita.
Jashmita. Which question you want?
Sir, I want I.
Okay. This is already done, I think.
Yes,
That's
sir.
right. Okay. Jashmita. Next
Sir,
is
then B. Shreyasi.
B. Shreyasi.
Then F. Ritvik.
Okay.
Then Harshita F.
F is already over. Next.
Then A. Zoya.
Okay. That's all.
Sir, 18
Yes, sir, till
participants
now
are
only
there.
this much I've given. Sir, Harshita is given E.
Harshita, E. Yeah, there are 18 participants, including me. Means 17 participants are there, but questions are only 9. Why many people are not giving?
Sir, Dhatri C.
Which question?
Sir, C bit.
C. C is taken by Manideep. You can take any other question.
Sir.
D, okay? Or H?
Yes.
Which question? Dhatri? D?
Sir, yes, D.
Okay. And one more question remaining, H. Who will take H? H. Who is going to take H? Abhinav, what happened? Krishnaditya.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, in 3-digit by 2-digit, can we take a 0
Okay,
before a
okay.
2-digit number?
Shahu, there is a mistake in that question. I am correcting it. So it's not 20, it is 2, not 2.
202.
202. There is a
Okay,
mistake.
sir.
Okay. Anyone take H? Ayush Mishra, Divyesh. Likita, what happened? Navyasri, Pallav, these many are there. Manideep taken question. This is his first class. What happened to all the remaining people? Akash, what happened? And nobody is responding.
Sir, may I take H? I'm ready.
Extra H? No,
Yes, sir.
no. Somebody take H.
Sir, you can only give it to anyone.
Sir, or you can do it.
Krishnaditya, Abhinav, Ayush Mishra.
Sir,
Okay.
can you explain me this again?
Which one?
This one only, sir.
This one means which?
This
Which?
concept. No, I mean this concept, sir.
Okay, concept. Okay. Actually, the given numbers we have to convert to apply so that we can apply that technique. What is the technique? By one more than the one before. Suppose if our question is 37 into 33, he will give the question like 37 into 66 like this. In this way, he will give the question, and we can convert this question by writing in this way. The given question is 37 into 66. I'll convert this into in this format.
66 as 33 into 2.
Yeah, this will be converted into 33 into 2. Now it is easy to do this multiplication, and later we can double it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So by doing 3 4s are 12 and 7 3s are 21, 12 21, simply doubling 12 21 will give the answer like 2 4 4 2. That's all. And one more 3-digit number also I'm explaining. See, I'll take some other like 503 into 593. Sorry, 597. 597.
97 into 93, make it 4
Yeah.
digit, and 5 into 5.
Yes, correct. 5 multiply with the next number. 5 6
30, sir.
30. After that, we need to reserve 4 positions, and those 4 positions we have to fill by 97 threes. How much 97 threes? 93 times is 270.
270. Yes.
7 3 times
270,
is,
sir.
21.
so total
21.
291.
291.
291
0291.
represent it, yeah, as a double digit number. Sorry, 4 digit number. 0291. That's the answer. Okay.
Sir, I didn't understand it, sir.
So which one? Which one?
Just what you have taught.
Sorry.
Yes, sir. This question only 303, 503 into 597.
Okay. I'll explain it again. 503 into 597. 503, 597. Here the condition is, actually we have to check this one only first. Units place adding to 10, yes, but the remaining number is not same, right? That's why,
Yes, sir.
yeah, I'm converting this question like this. I'm checking last 2 digits of sum. 03 plus 97 is how much?
100.
Yeah, we have made it 100, and the remaining number is same or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
it is same.
Yeah. So
Sir, then can we use it for 4, 5, any digit?
any digit number, so we can use it. Any digit number. If you can make the last by using last digits, if you can make 10 or 100 or 1000, we can use.
Sir, means like it is 999 into 901 then.
Yeah, 999 into 901. Yeah, we can simply 9 tens 90.
Nine.
No, sir,
99
sorry, I
ones
was saying
9
4
9.
times 9 and 9901.
Okay. 9999 9901. No.
Yes, sir.
9001. 9991 also we can use. Yes, sir. How? So the remaining number is
99
same.
into
99
100.
multiply with the next number 100. 99 100, right? After that 4 digits are required. Those 4 digits we have to fill by
0099.
0099. That's all.
Sir, but when it is the case of 98, then it is very big multiplication.
Yeah. Yes. Big multiplication means 98 twos. 98 we have to double it. So like 97 threes here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, Harshita, I think. Sorry, Dhatri. Dhatri.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, if we can make using last 2 digits, if you can make 10, we have to reserve 2 positions. If we can make 100, we have to reserve 4 positions. If we can make 1000, we have to reserve 6 positions. Like this. Okay. So here we are making these two as 100. That's why we need to reserve 4 positions. After what? After taking 5 multiplied with the next number, 5 6 are 30. After this 30, we need to reserve 4 positions. And those 4 positions we have to fill up by multiplying these two. 397 times. 397 times is 291. Yes or no? 291. Yeah, 0291. We have to represent it like a 4 digit number. Got it?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Let us go to the exercise. And whoever I asked, they are not responding till now. Navyasri is there. Navyasri, if you have any technical problem or signal issues, you can write it in the chat box. If you are not understood, you can ask me again and again. I can explain. Okay, we'll start the exercise. Zoya, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, carry on.
So 64 we can split it as 2 into 32
Okay.
and 32 into 38 as units place adds up to 10. We have to 8 into 2, it will be 16.
Hmm.
We have to write 69 And 3 and 3, let's take the next digit of 3, that is 4. And 4 3s are 12. So
Okay.
1216 into 2. And
Okay.
double of 1216 is 2432.
2432. Very good.
32.
That's it. Very good. 1 second. I'm not able to unmute. She's saying that I don't have access to unmute. Okay. And remaining people, are you able to unmute?
Yes, sir.
sir, we are able to.
Sir.
Okay. Krishnaditya.
Sir, now my turn, right?
Krishnaditya. Now also it is saying the same. Okay, carry on.
Samir, sir?
Shreyasi, carry on.
Yes, sir. Sir, we can split 88 as 2 into 44, and then 44 into 46, it will be like 4 into into the successor, it will be 20. 4 into 5, 20. Then
Okay.
4 6 are 24. 2024 we got. Now 2024 into 2, it will be 4048.
Very good. Very good. 4048. That's all. Manideep.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, from now onwards, every Sunday there will be test.
Let us try. I will try.
Okay,
I
sir.
will try. At least
Okay,
a
sir.
practice test. I kept. I will keep a practice test. Okay.
Sir, I have
Okay.
a doubt.
Ritvik, tell me.
Sir, if the numbers are giving the result as 10 only, then what should we do?
Sorry. Which
Sir,
digits?
if the units digits are giving the result as 10, then what can we do? Like
Unit digit
37
resulting as 10, right? 7 into 3.
Yes, sir.
Directly we can do 21. That's all.
No, sir, not 7 into 3. 37 into 33. Then how can we probably solve that?
37 into
33.
33. Okay, 37 into 33. It is already explained now. So 3 multiply with the next number. 3 4s are 12. And 7 3s are 21. 12 21. That's all.
Yes, sir, but when the units digit add up to 10, then we need to reserve 2 digits, and when they add
Yes.
up to 100, 4 digits.
4 digits. What is your doubt, Ritvik? No, I did not got your point.
Sir, this only, sir, I got it.
Okay. Okay. Manideep, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Carry on.
So we can split 37 into 274.
Sorry, 30, 70. There is which question you are telling?
See,
See.
sir.
Tell me. 33 into 74. This is your question. How to do
Yes,
this?
sir. 37 into 2.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. You are telling this one. 74, we
Yes,
can
sir.
write it like 37 into 2, right?
Yes, sir.
And the before number 33. Okay, right. Very good. Next.
Yes.
Common
33
number
into
here is
3 into 3.
3 into next number 4. 3 4s
So, yes, sir. 3 into 4.
is
12.
next
And 7 into 3, 21.
21. Now simply double it.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Answer.
Sir.
Doubling of 1224. Sorry, 1221.
2442.
2442. Simply digit by digit also we can double.
Yes. Yes.
Very good, Mandu. Dhatri.
Yes, sir. So 66 into 14 into 2, sir.
Sorry.
66 into 14 into 2, sir.
Then, okay. 66 into 14 into 2 in this, what you are getting? Only units place you are matching. But what about tens place? It is not matching.
Tens place, sir.
Tens place also should match. Think any other thing?
56. So sorry,
Okay, no issue, no problem. Anybody? Any other?
Sir, we can divide 66 by 3.
Very good. Okay, then if you divide
It will
by 3,
become
22.
22.
very good.
So the
22
digits
into
match.
28.
Dhatri, see, always don't think of 2 only. You can try with the 3, 4, 5, any number. So just you need to convert this into R format. So 66, if you divide it by 3, you can write in this way: 3 into 22, 3 into 22, and next is 28. Now see these two numbers.
yes, sir.
From here onwards, you can continue.
Yes,
Common number 2, multiply with the next number 3. 2 3s are Dhatri.
yes, sir. 2 3s are 6, and
Okay.
I think 8 2s are is 16.
16.
on six.
Now you have to
Yes.
triple the number.
Yes, sir.
600 3 times is
616 into 3.
600 3 times. 600 3 times is how much?
1800.
48, sir.
1800, then 48. So 1848. That's all. Very good. Then Harshita.
Yes, sir. 18 into 2 is 36. So 18, 2 into 18 into 78.
No, 2 into 18 into 78. In this, what you have done in this? Which is helpful here? No. What is the half of this number?
49.
39.
Sorry, 39.
39. So no, it is also not better. What is the double of this number?
42.
72.
72.
Yeah, now we got the point, right?
Yes,
so
sir,
I'm
this
writing
is
this. I'm writing this 36 like a 72 by 2, and first I'll multiply 72 into with the 78, and lastly I'll do half. Okay, I'll divide the total resultant number by 2. Okay, next see the result. 7 multiply with the next number 8. 7 8s are
7 8s are 56.
56, and next units
2
place.
into
2 8s
8,
are
16.
16. Now do
So
half
16
for this
divided by 2.
number. Yes. What is the result? Final result.
2 2s are 4 carry, and 2 8s are 16, and 0. So because we don't have 1, we have 1, and 2 8s are 16.
Very good. Correct.
2 0 8.
Very good. Then Ritvik.
Sir, I'm not able to do this question only, sir, properly. Anywhere I'm
Sir,
doing
this
mistake,
we
I'm
need
not
to
able
divide.
understand.
Sorry. Jashmita, tell me.
Nothing, sir.
You told one point here. Just we need to double.
Yes, sir.
No. If you double it, it will be in 90s
Sir,
only,
I
and
said
it will be in 100s.
divide.
Yes, divide. You have to
Double
divide
40,
both of them.
54
Ritvik.
will be 108.
Sorry. Yes,
Sir,
yes.
if we double 46, it will be 92, and 54 will be 108.
So that is not matching. Try dividing by 2. Try doing half for both of them. 46 half is.
Sir, 46 divided by 2 is
23.
23. And 54 divided by 2
27.
is 27.
27.
27. Okay. Ritvik, coming to the question, 2 into, how can we write this number? 2 into?
23.
Sir, 2 into 2 into.
And then how we can write this number?
27.
27 into 2, not 27, 27 into 2. Okay. And first do this because it is very easy. And later you have to double it twice, 2 times double. Okay. First do this multiplication. 23 into 27 is how much?
Sir, the 2 successor will be 3. So 2
1,
threes are
0,
6 and
2,
6
1.
to
threes are
1.
26.
Wait, remaining persons, wait. Let Ritvik give the answer.
Sir,
2 multiply with the
7
next number, 2 3s are?
6 and 7 3s are 21. So
Okay.
621.
621, you have to double it twice. 2 times you need to double. 1 time double is?
1 time double is 1242.
1242. Okay. 1 more time double is?
Sir, 2484.
2484. That's your answer. Okay. And you have to do all these things. Whatever we are writing as a rough way, you have to do all these things mentally. Okay.
Sir, that's why I got wrong, sir. Otherwise, if I wrote this all, then I would be correct only.
So all these things are our observation skills. So by seeing like the question 46 into 54, we cannot apply any shortcut. If you think like that, it will be a normal question only. If you think we can convert this question as our shortcut is there, so if you think in that way, then it will be easy. Then Shahu, I think you are ready.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, 2 plus means 2 and 2 are common there. So we can do 2 into 3, which is 6. And we will reserve 4 places.
Yes, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, sir. So 90 into 2, it is 180.
Okay.
And 8 into 2 is 16. 180 plus 16, 196. We will write as 0196.
Very good. Correct. And this is the question remaining. Who will do this?
Sir, may I do?
Okay, carry on.
Okay, sir. Sir, 3
Sir,
and
then
3
can
is
I
there. So we will take 3 into 4, which is 12.
Okay.
Sir, and 91 into 9 is there. 9 9s are 81. So it will be 810.
810, correct?
Yes, sir. And 9 1s are 9. So 890.
Yes, correct.
And we will write it as 0819.
Very good. Excellent. Correct. And Jashmita.
Yes, sir. 7, the successor of 7 is 8. So 7 into 8, which is 56.
Okay.
We will reserve 4 places.
Yes.
95 into 5, 90 into 5, which is 450, and 5 into 5, which is 25. So 450 plus 25, which is 475. So we can write 0475.
Yes, correct. And why you are doing it is normal, in a normal method, because we have already shortcut for this. So 9 by 2 is how much? Sorry, 9 by 2 is how much? 4. With a remainder of 115. So how many times? 7 times. What is the remainder here? 1 remainder. If 1 is the remainder, last digit will be 5. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
But what?
So
That
4,
is also
7.
a very method only.
What Ritvik? Today your low, your voice is very low, Ritvik.
My voice, sir. Sir, actually, that whatever method she said, that was also right only for multiplying.
Yeah, that is also
this.
correct. That is also correct. I didn't tell that's wrong. We have another alternative method also, and I just.
Sir, can you repeat this 95 into 5? How did that 7 come?
Instead of multiplying by 5, we can divide it by 2. Yes or no?
Yes,
Any
sir.
number instead of multiplying by 5, we can divide
How
by
did 7?
based on the remainder last digit. So 2 4s are 8, 1 remainder 15, 2 7s are 14, 1 remainder, and if 1 is the remainder, last digit will be 5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Already written one exam yesterday. And next we'll take one more shortcut. See, first by the first and last by the last. First by the first and last by the last. So this is the reverse. We can say this is the reverse of the previous shortcut. What is the previous shortcut? Units place sum is 10. Units place sum-
And the remaining will be
remaining means if there are only 2-digit numbers, the tens place is same, right?
If it
Yes,
is
sir.
3-digit, then hundreds.
Yes,
place.
Sir, the name is very
4-digit, then
dangerous.
thousands place.
Yes, sir, the name is really difficult to pronounce.
Akash, till now, what happened to you? Where are you till now?
So till now I was listening everything what you were saying because no one was letting me to speak.
No, I call your name also. One question
Ma,
remains.
sir, actually,
Shahu, did you-
that time my mic was not not connected with my computer. When I
Okay.
connected with my mic, you were like further to the sums. So that's
Okay.
why I was hearing all the sums.
Yeah. Now see, for this, the shortcut. Sorry, for this, the conditions are the reverse of these two conditions. What is the reverse means? Tens place adding to 10.
Sum should not be 10.
No. Tens place sum is 10. Tens place sum is 10. And units place is same. Units place same. Reverse or not? So for
Yes,
this,
sir.
yeah, for this condition, we have done many questions, and I'm just writing one example, like 39 into 31. Satisfying that condition?
Yes, sir. 2
Yeah.
3s are 12,
this-
9
Yes,
1s are
sir.
909.
Yeah, for this we can say like 93 into
13.
sorry, units place same, right? 97. Yes or no? No. It is also I have written the same.
Sir, 93 into
93 into 13.
Yes, sir,
93 into 13.
93 into 13, sir.
Yes, 93 into 30. Okay. So as the name is telling, first by the first and last by the last. See. Here, what are the two digits first? Sorry, tens place digits are
9 and 1.
9 and 1. Here simply do 9 ones are
9.
9.
9.
9.
And
Sir, here should we do 3 4s are?
Wait. No. Yeah, 9 ones are is 9. 9 into 1 is 9. And later after getting 9, we have to add this 9 to the common number 3. 9 plus 3 is how much?
12.
12.
12. And later
0
there may
9.
be 3 3s are 9 simply. 3 3s are 9.
Okay.
So what is the result? Just check once in the
Yes, sir,
calculator.
it is correct. 1209.
1209. That's all. Okay. Got the point? Multiply the tens place, and add the common number. Multiply the tens place and add the units place digit. And then units place is common. So 3 3s are 9. Directly we can write 3 3s are 9. Okay. Let us do one more.
Sir, I have a doubt here. You said we have to multiply tens digit and then add what, sir?
Okay. Here
And add
multiply
the common.
tens place and add units place.
Add the common number.
Common number is 3 here. We have to add that 3 to the result. 9 plus 3 is 12. Pallav, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now
So
we'll do
what
one
if
more.
there are 3 and 5, sir?
3 and 5 means?
In 93 and 15, sir. If like that, what will happen?
If it is
Sir,
93,
it is not
15, it is not
possible.
applicable.
It's not possible, sir, because like the units place, like the tens place, I mean, the units
Unit
place
place
should
should
be
be
same.
If this
Then it
condition is
should be
satisfied, then only
95
we can
into
apply this technique.
15.
Pallav, if these conditions are satisfied, then only we can apply this shortcut.
Okay, sir. Understood.
We'll do one more question, like 47 into.
Sir,
1
can
is
we do
66.
470 into 670?
No. This sutra is applicable for only 2-digit number. Previous sutra we can apply for any number of digits, but this sutra is applicable for only 2-digit numbers.
Sir,
Okay,
this
sir.
most dangerous name is there still only 2-digit number?
What is dangerous here? The name itself, it is telling first by the first and last by the last.
No,
So
sir,
first half
that
we are
besides
getting,
that.
first we are getting using first digits. Next we are getting using next digits. Okay, answer for this question is 6 4s are
24.
24 plus
24.
7,
31,
30.
31. After the 7 7s are
49.
49.
that's all. 3149.
Sir,
Okay.
the addition and multiplication techniques help a lot in daily life.
Sorry.
Sir, addition, subtraction and multiplication techniques help a lot.
Yes, that's why only we are taking these classes for that purpose only. Okay, now you can give your names. There are 10 questions. I'm expecting 10 persons to take 10 questions. Jeshmita.
Sir, shall I read out the names?
Hmm.
Yes, sir. J. Jashmita
Hmm.
and Harshita F, which is
Okay.
me.
Sir, actually, I changed my question, sir.
Who?
Sir, Jashmita only.
Jeshmita changed the question G. Okay.
And E. Shahu.
1 second. I'll remove this. G. Okay. Which question? Shahu? E.
E. Yes, sir. E. Shahu.
Okay.
And S. Ritvik.
Satvik. What is your question number?
I. Satvik, sir.
Okay, there is no L, right? I Satvik.
Yes, sir. I. Satvik. And Ritvik.
Also
no,
take an I.
Ritvik also
Okay,
took
Ritvik
I.
will take another question. C. Zoya.
Yes. H. Pallav.
Okay.
G. Jashmita, yes. And Manidi B.
B. Manideep. Okay.
D. Navya.
D. Okay, Navya.
H. Ritvik.
H. H is also over. That's why J taken J. Okay. This is Ritvik.
Yes.
That's all. Questions are over. No.
Sir, A.
A is remaining.
Sir, may I take that?
No. Anyone take A. Question number 1. First question. Anyone. And remaining persons try to do all the questions. After this, we are entering into Akash. Akash. Okay. A.
So that's why I have doubt in these questions.
Sorry. What he told?
He
We
told
have
me
done this
doubted
question,
that
something like that.
Anyone. One. Tell anyone.
He is done with all the questions.
Ritvik, what you are telling?
Sir, I am telling that I am done with all the questions.
Okay. Why in my system is there any volume? Less volume?
No, sir.
No,
I'm
sir,
running
its volume
that,
is less.
that's why.
Okay. Okay, Akash did not understand the method. Okay, Akash, try to understand the method. I'll start from B, and at the end you can say your question. You can
Yes,
explain.
sir. I will explain A.
Okay. Start, Manideep.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
8 into 2, 16.
Okay,
Plus 6 is 22.
very good.
And 6 into 6 is 36.
That's all. Very
So
good.
answer is 2236.
Very good. Very good.
Thank you.
Zoya.
Sir, should I do it in the lemons method or this one?
This one only. 11 is also okay, but this one only. because we are in this method.
1 plus 1 is 2, but last two digits will write it as 0, 2.
Okay, 0, 2, last two digits.
And 9 into 1 is 9.
Why last two digits 0, 2? Wait. Why last two digits 0? Sorry, 0, 2.
So because we need to write 2 digits.
You don't need to multiply with the next number. You directly do the multiplication. 1 ones are 1, that's all.
Okay.
Okay, at the digits are same. Directly 1 ones are 1, but we have to write it as 0, 1.
Left to right.
Next.
So then 9 plus 1, we have to do it. It will be 10. No, 9 into 1, sorry.
Okay. 9 into 1 is 9.
9 and we have to add 1 to it.
Add 1. Why you are adding
So
1?
10. Because the next digit is 1.
Yeah, units place digit. Common digit or units place digit. Okay. Then Navya.
Sir. So, sir, first we do 5 into 5, which is 25, and 25 plus 9 is 34.
34, okay.
So that's one part of the problem, and 9 into 9 is 81.
Yeah, first by the first is over. Next, last by the last is 9 9s are 81.
Yeah, and that's it.
Very good. Shahu.
Yes, sir. Sir, 63 and 43. So 6 into 4, we will take 6 for the 24, and we will add 3 to that. So 27.
Okay.
And sir, 3 3s are 9. So 0 9.
0 9. Very good. Then Harshita.
Yes, sir. 24 into 84. Yes. And 8 into 16. Yeah, 8 into 2 is 16. And we should add 4 to it. So 20.
20. Okay.
And 4 into 4 is 16.
16. That's all. Very good.
Sir, now can I explain? I understood.
Okay. Akash.
So 3 into 7, which is 21. Now 8 is common, so we have to add 8 to 21, so which is 29.
Okay.
So now 8 into 8, which is 64.
That's all. 64. Very good.
So the method is very easy.
Easy and easy to forget also, if you don't practice.
Yes.
And all these techniques are easy to learn and easy to forget. If you don't, unless you are not unless you have practiced them, otherwise you will forget compulsory.
So before test, I forgot most of the methods.
Which methods? Beginning classes?
Yes, sir. I only remembered the addition, subtraction, and multiplication by 2, 4, 8. That much only.
Okay, multiplications we have many variations.
Is this method applicable for 3 sets of numerals, like in the questions you have given? In these questions, there are 2.
It is applicable for only 2 digits, sir.
Okay, sir.
Jashmita, carry on.
Yes, sir. 8 into 2, which is 16.
Okay.
16 plus 8 equals to 24.
Okay.
8 into 8 is 64.
Yes. That's all.
So 2464.
Now Pallav.
Yes, sir. 8 into 2 gives 16. 16 plus 9 gives 25.
Okay.
Then 9 9s are 81.
9 9s are 81. Correct. Then Satvik.
Sir, 9 into 1 is 9. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. 7 7 is 49.
Very good.
1649.
1649. That's all. Then Ritvik.
So 6 into 4 is 24, and we need to add 4, so 28, and 4 into 4 is 16. 2816.
4 into 4, 16. 2816.
Yes.
Correct. Very good. So remember these two things, previous one and this one. Units place adding to 10 and the tens place adding to 10. So let us move on to another type of multiplication, special multiplication.
So, sorry, only this exercise was there for this method.
Sorry?
Sir, only this exercise was there for this method.
Yes, there is only this exercise. I'll upload another exercise in our Google Classroom. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, whoever not there in the Google Classroom, try to join our Google Classroom. Yeah. Later, next we are moving on to base multiplication. Very famous base multiplications. Okay. What is there? What is explained here? Okay, something is there. Base method or base multiplication. We can say this is the heart of Vedic idea. This idea is a heart of Vedic maths. This idea is a heart of Vedic maths. And the same base method is there in divisions also. We'll cover in divisions also. Okay. What are our bases?
Sir, means base method is applicable for all the operations?
No. This is applicable for the numbers near to base. What are our bases? 10.
10 powers of 10.
Yeah, powers of 10, 1000, 10,000. These are our base numbers, right? And numbers nearer to base. Suppose if any number is given like a 997 into 996, we can do it in a fraction of a second. Directly we can say the answer.
Sir, what is the limit?
No limit. There is no limit.
No
Near
means,
to base.
sir, how much far we can go from the base, like that?
How far you are comfortable, then up to that part you can go.
Okay.
How far you are comfortable to do that using mentally, you can go up to that part. So base method, one more I'm writing. Suppose 1025 into 1003. We can answer it in a fraction of seconds. And like 9999 and 9 into 99993. This one also. And even some 123 into 113. This type of questions also. Okay, we'll explain this method for first base 10, and we'll extend
it. Work for sub bases also?
Sorry?
Will it work for sub bases also, sir?
Yeah, it will work for sub bases also using the Sutra Anurupena, proportionality. Okay, we can use the base method for sub bases also, like not only for 100, 1000, 2000, sorry, 10,000. We can apply the method for 200, like a 400, like 600 or 6,000. For these numbers also we can apply. Okay. Yeah. Let us explain this method for small base, first base, that is 10. I'm taking, let us take below base numbers or above base. First we will explain below base. Okay. Like 9 and 7.
No, sir, they come in tables, so we know them.
No, you know that, but try to observe the pattern, try to observe the method, approach. Observe the approach here. Okay. 9 into 7 we are doing in base method, using base method. Okay, tell me, 9 is how much less than 10?
1 less than 10.
So that's why 1 less, that's why I'm writing -1. If it is less, we have to write minus. If it is more, we have to write plus. Okay. Next, same 7 is how much less than 10? 3. So simply do -3. And take any crosswise operation. 9 minus 3 is how much?
6.
6. Or otherwise you can take in this way also. 7 minus 1 is how much?
6.
And the beauty is, in both the directions it will give the same result, right? In every case it will give the same result. So you can take either 9 minus 3 or 7 minus 1. So in both the cases it is 6. I'm writing 6 here. And after writing 6 here, we need to reserve how many positions. It depends on our base. Our base consists of how many zeros?
1 0.
1 0 means we need to reserve one position only, and that one position we have to fill up by multiplying these two. Okay, 1 into 3 is
minus into minus gives 3.
Yeah, -1 into -3 is how much?
3 itself.
Positive 3. So that's all. That's the answer.
Have you reserved for one place only, sir?
Sorry?
Sir, how did you keep a place for only one place?
it depends on our base. If base consists of 1 0, we have to keep one digit. We have to reserve one position. If base consists of 2 zeros, 2 positions, 3 zeros, 3 positions, 4 zeros, 4 positions, like. Okay, let us do this for above base also. See, I'm taking some 12 into 13. Here the base is how much? And he
10.
will not, yeah, he will not mention any base. We have to decide the base by seeing the numbers. So 12 and 10, both the numbers are nearer to.
Plus 2 plus 3.
Now it is plus 2.
Plus 2
How
plus
much is
3.
extra? Plus 3.
Sir, it's plus 2, sir.
Sorry.
For 12, you wrote plus 3.
Yeah. Yes. It is plus 2 and it is plus 3. Take any crosswise operation. If it is plus, we have to do plus, and if it is minus, we have to do minus. 12 plus 3 is how much?
1 5 6.
15.
So, yes, 12 plus 3 is 15.
15 plus 6.
Wait, Shahu, wait. 13 plus 2 is also the same, 15 only. So I'm writing 15 here. After that, we need to reserve how many positions?
1.
1 position, because our base consists of only
1
0. 1 0. That's why. Next, that 1 position we need to fill up by multiplying that extra number.
So we have to multiply these. So which is 6.
Yes, 156. That's the answer.
Sir,
now can we
can
move
we
to
do
exercise?
one with above base and one with below base?
Sorry? Yeah,
Like
we
12
even the
into
1
8.
number is above base and 1 number below base also we can.
Sir, can you explain this method again?
Sorry, which one?
So
This method?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm explaining with another question. See, sir, it is okay. We have reserved only 1 digit here, and here we are getting only 1 digit. That's why no issue, no problem. What if we reserve 1 position and if we are getting 2 digits? See, I'm taking another number.
Then
like
we will carry.
Yes, 14 and 16 like this. Here the base number is how much?
10.
10. How much is extra first number? Harshita, see, how much is extra 14?
Plus
4. Okay, if it is extra, we have to use plus. If it is less, we have to use minus. Next, 16 is how much extra?
Plus 6.
Plus 6. Do any crosswise operation. 14 plus 6 is how much?
20.
20. After that, we need to reserve how many positions? Only 1 position,
1.
because our base consists of only 1 digit. But see, that 1 position we have to fill up by 4 6. 4 6 is how much?
24.
24 is a double digit number. Then we have to balance. So we have to write it in this way: 2 here, 4 here.
224.
224 is our answer.
224. Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose we'll do exercise in the next class. Let me explain only one question. Next question.
Sir, can you explain a number above base and 1 below base?
I'll explain. I'll explain. Slowly we'll move. Slowly we will move. Okay. At this time, it is not required for us. We'll see that also. Pallav, okay.
Sir, can you tell 17 into 3?
17 into 3. Simply 17 into 3.
Yes, sir, but using this method.
How we can use this method for 17 into 3? What is the common base for these two numbers?
10.
Sir, 10.
Okay, one is above base, one is below base. We'll see this type of questions later. Okay, in the next class.
Oh, okay, sir.
Sir,
Above
can
base
you
and
please
below
tell
base.
now?
We'll cover. Sorry.
Can you please tell these now?
I will share this. I will share this. And last question for this session, like 96 into 99. Suppose. Okay. Tell me, what will you do?
Sir, minus 4
Base
minus
is how much?
1.
First decide base. Base is how much?
100. 100.
Base is 100, so we'll reserve 2 places.
Minus. Yes,
Minus?
sir. Minus 4 minus 1.
Minus 4 and minus 1.
95.
So
96
95.
minus 1 is 95. After that, we need to reserve how many positions?
So 05, 04.
So 0.
Yes. 2 positions, and those 2 positions we have to fill by these 2. 4 ones are
04.
but 0.
04.
04. That's it. Okay. And we'll do exercises. Many exercises are there using base 10, base 100, base 1000, base 10,000, base 1 lakh also. Below base, and both the numbers below base, both the numbers above base, and one number below and one number above also. We'll do all those things in the next class. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. See you in the next class.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice
day. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, sir.